If you own a business and you think your trust automatically protects it, I've got some bad news. I've watched families lose companies they spent decades building, forced to watch strangers in probate court decide the fate of their life's work, and it all happened because of one missing signature. In the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to protect your business through your trust, and I promise you it's way simpler than you think. No disruption to your daily operations, no surprise tax bills, just real protection. At Smith Barid, we've helped hundreds of business owners do this the right way, from small LLCs to multi-million-dollar corporations. And once you understand how it works, you'll wonder why you waited so long. I'm estate planning attorney Mike Smith with Smith Barid LLC and the Estate Planning Guys. Here's the thing most business owners don't realize. Your trust is only as good as what you actually put in it. Think of your trust like a safe. You can have the most expensive, high-tech safe in the world, but if you never put your valuables inside of it, what's the point? If your LLC is still registered in your personal name or your corporation's stock certificates are sitting in a drawer with your name on them, not your trust name, that business goes straight through probate when you die. And probate for a business is a nightmare. The court could freeze operations. Your family might need permission just to make payroll. Competitors could see your financial records because after all, probate is public. And I've seen families lose key employees, clients, and momentum during a probate delay, all because ownership wasn't transferred correctly. And here's where it gets worse. So do you know how to actually fix this? It's easier than you think. For an LLC, you'll update your operating agreement and assign your ownership interest to your trust. That's it. You're basically just changing who legally owns the membership units from John Smith to the John Smith Revocable Trust. We'll prepare an assignment document for you. You sign that. You might have to send notification out to the other members of the LLC, but it's pretty simple. For a corporation, you're going to retitle or assign the stock certificates to the trust, and we usually use a special type of power of attorney to accomplish that. Now, this is super important. This is a paper change, not an operational one. Your business doesn't change how it operates. Your team won't know the difference. Your clients won't know the difference. Your tax ID number, it stays exactly the same. And you're still 100% in control as the trustee of your trust. If you're a business owner and you're watching this and this just clicked for you, then do me a favor and hit the like button. It helps YouTube show this to other business owners who desperately need to hear it. Now, the questions I get literally every single time I bring this up. Mike, if I put my business in trust, am I going to get hammered with taxes? And will I lose control of my company? The answer to both of these is a simple no, as long as your trust is set up correctly. Here's why. With a revocable living trust, you are still the trustee. You call the shots. The IRS still treats you as the taxpayer. Your business still files taxes the exact same way it always has. Nothing changes operationally. But legally, the trust owns your business interests. And that means when you pass away, there's no probate freeze, no judge deciding who can write checks. Your successor trustee just steps in immediately and keeps the business running without missing a beat. And this is the part where I see a lot of people's shoulders sort of relax. So stick with me for just one more minute. Look, business assets are hands down one of the most overlooked parts of trust funding and also one of the most expensive mistakes you can make. If you want to make absolutely sure that your business is protected and your family isn't stuck in probate court fighting over your company, visit the link in the description. We've got a resource page with a lot of free downloadable guides that break down exactly what you need to do step by step. All right, so quick recap. Your trust doesn't magically protect your business just because it exists. You've got to actually change ownership into the trust. But the good news is it doesn't mess with your taxes. It doesn't change how you run things day to day. And it can save your family from months or even years of probate hell. Be sure to check out our Trust Funding Guide playlist for information on how to fund all different kinds of assets into your trust, why it's so important, a checklist that you can follow. That's on our resource page as well. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I know estate planning isn't the most exciting topic on YouTube, but if you're a business owner, this stuff really matters. I hope you feel more confident about protecting everything you've worked so hard to build, and I'll see you in the next one.